Once the surface is prepped, your part comes with some 3M tape. It also came to you in 2 separate pieces. You're just going to want to make sure that they're nice and close in the front. And it'll line directly up on these edges. So what you're going to do is just stick one side, pull the red release liner. Just going to line this hole up right here. And this line right here. Those will line up, and then you're just going to apply this piece the same way. Now we're going to install the front nose cap. It's going to be this little piece right here. It's done in 2 pieces to make it a little easier to install, and then it's going to have a little seam right in the middle here to line up with this one. You're going to need to generally shape this part. It's already been done, cleaning the surface. But as you're applying this, you want to push into this corner, and at the same time make sure that you're lined up on your edges here. As you're applying this one, you want to make sure these edges line up, so you're going to start here.